losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab?
Hi, good morning everyone. So thank you guys for coming back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Geraldine Silva and I make videos all about SPLA life, organization, planner videos. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. So today is the first day doing in-home speech therapy. Past month and ever since I started this job, I've been doing teletherapy. So this will be the first time that I'm doing in-homes, which is kind of scary. Thankfully today is a very light day. I actually only have 3 in-homes today. I'm actually supposed to start at 9, but the first one is an at-home activity, so it just means I'm just sending home a packet through email. Basically at 10 o'clock is when I start my first in-home, and I end the day at 1:30. Now after 1:30 I also have another at-home activity, but that's until 2, so I get to do that when I go back home. I do actually need to go to the clinic today because I will be receiving my PPE kit, which is like everything that includes things for COVID, like temperature checking, I'm pretty sure like sanitized wipes and things of that sort. I'm also getting my iPad today, which is pretty exciting. Everyone that I have spoken to has said that it's much more better to use your laptop than to use the iPad. I'm gonna try to use the iPad just because it's a lot more lighter than my laptop, and my laptop has a battery issue that I really don't feel like fixing at the current moment. It hasn't gotten too bad, but yeah, it's annoying to deal with. So either way, I have 2 annoying things that I have to deal with regardless. If the iPad doesn't work, I have to deal with my laptop. As of right now, it's 9 o'clock. I need to submit that at-home packet. After that, I'm gonna be getting ready to leave because like I said, my first home is at 10, which isn't too far from where I'm at. Hopefully today I also get to pick up my room, which I'm pretty excited about because tomorrow I'll be doing speech therapy at the center, at the clinic. So, and it's gonna be just all day long there. See how today goes. Hopefully it's not too bad. I'm gonna try to film in between therapy sessions as I'm driving and stuff. Okay, well, we'll see how it goes today, and yeah, I'm gonna just keep getting ready. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you guys my outfit really quickly. So I just put my hair in like these little like waves with my straightener, and then I'm wearing this like blazer, which I think I'm gonna go iron really quickly just because it's not like, I don't know, it's looking a little flimsy and I want a little bit more, I don't know, structure, I guess. I have this like little pearl necklace that I always wear with every single outfit. I also have this like little cute bodysuit. It has a little butterfly. My black jeans, some Converse. The thing is that like I'm supposed to be wearing like business casual and stuff, and I feel like this is very like business casual because I'm wearing a blazer and like Converse, and I have my Apple Watch and stuff. But I'm gonna go iron this and see if it fixes it because I have a feeling like something's missing. I don't know if it's like the hair that I need to fix and like maybe like put it back in some way, or if it's the jacket, like I need to switch out the jacket. I don't know. I'm gonna go iron it. I have about like, I don't know, 10 more minutes before I have to leave, and then I will show you guys if I change anything up. But as of right now, this is my outfit. I'm gonna go iron this shirt. So I switched it up. I put my hair up in this like little like half up half down moment. I think it's really freaking cute. Ironed the shirt a little bit so it looks a little bit more structured than it does like flimsy, because it almost looks like pajama chic. Yeah, it almost looks like a pajama. So I think that's it. Like it's a little more done up. 32 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my stuff and I'm gonna start leaving. All right guys, so I'm headed out right now. The place that I'm going to is about 4 minutes away, so, and I'm leaving about 10 minutes early, so I'm gonna arrive there just in time. Yeah, but I need to get going. I'll see you guys maybe afterwards and give you guys a little bit of update of how it went. Hey guys, so I just finished my first in-home. I would say it went pretty well. Definitely need a cart because I was using my backpack for to hold my therapy materials, and I noticed that it's just way too bulky. Thankfully I did already purchase a crate which should be coming in today, which would help me a lot with transporting therapy material. I'm gonna buy a little bit more because I've noticed that like the toys that I do have, they may like, I don't know, get bored of it really quickly, and I myself might get bored of it really quickly. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drive over to my next therapy session, which shouldn't be too bad. They live maybe a couple minutes away from where I'm at right now, so, and I have and it's not until 11:15 their session, and it's about 10:50 right now. So we're on time, perfect timing. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive over there. Guys, so I am on my last therapy. I'm on my last therapy appointment for the day. It's gonna be at 12:30 to 1:30. It's 12:15 right now, so I'm 15 minutes early. I'm already here at their house. I'm just waiting, basically. The last one that I did was really smooth. I met them already online on teletherapy. I've been working with them already for a couple weeks, and she was expecting me to be online, and I don't know why, but my clinic just didn't call the parents at all to tell them that we were going back in person. So I messaged this mom to make sure to tell her, like, hey, I'm meeting with you in person. So let's see how this one goes. I'm just gonna sit here and watch some TikToks. So see you guys. Okay, so I just made it to the clinic. I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna grab my stuff. Hopefully it's not gonna take too long, because honestly I'm starving. And then I have to go pick up Ian from my mom's and then go to the apartment, make some food, and then I have a doctor's appointment at 5 today. So lots of driving, but nothing that I wouldn't be more concerned about otherwise. Anyways, I'm gonna go do that because I want to get this all over with so I can go home and eat. All right.
Slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe.
Morning, everyone. So today is Tuesday and I have about like 10 more minutes before I have to leave. I'm gathering all my stuff, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit before I left. So I have this like cute little, like, I want to say floral. Yeah, it's like a little floral print that I got from Shein. It's like a peplum shirt, and it has like these little like what's it called, see-through sleeves. I don't know what I'm trying to say, forgot the word for it. Anyways, I also have this coat that I bought from downtown LA. This was like $10. I also have like my work pants, leggings that are so nice and like soft and comfortable, because I'm going to be doing therapy at the clinic all day long, so I wanted to be comfortable as possible. I also have my Vans on. That is the outfit for the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff ready to go. My desk looks like a mess, but I have my crate, which I think is a little too big. I don't know if I'm gonna return it or not, but I have my crate with some of my therapy toys. I need to get my backpack ready to go, and I'm gonna put all of this in my car right now, and I'm gonna be heading out, and I'll talk to you guys in the car. So this is my room. I'll give you guys a tour on it in a little bit, but I'm gonna set up because I only have 6 more minutes and my 9 o'clock is already here. So, woo! Oh my God, you guys. So I was in the middle of therapy and there was an earthquake. I wish I was recording, but there was an earthquake. I'm in the 5th floor in my building and I could feel the entire building shake, and it was honestly pretty scary. I felt scared because I'm alone, and then the first thing that came to my mind is like my son. He's at school. I'm like, oh my God, is he okay? I mean, obviously nothing like fell or anything. I don't want to say that it was like strong enough to like destroy anything, but it was pretty strong, and during the therapy it kind of scared me a little bit. But fortunately this person didn't know that we had to go back in person today, so I just did therapy online right now, which, I mean, I don't really mind, because, you know, it's what I've been doing for the past month. She didn't know she needed to come in person, so this was just telehealth. So I'm gonna do my notes online and then submit it, and then hopefully my next client should be coming in very soon. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my notes. My next client should be coming in at like 10 o'clock. So as of right now, this is how my room is looking like. Okay, so let me give you guys a little bit of a tour of what I have going on. So this is the door, and then they gave us like this like little sanitizing spray, and I don't have any like wipes, so I need to ask for that. Don't really know what this is for, but it's here. This is my little cabinet, which I will probably like decorate or add stuff to it just to make it a little bit more inviting. So right now, this is what it's looking like. I want to grab like more organizer stuff, since I'm like here all day and stuff. This is my backpack. I don't know what those are for. They look like decorating stuff. I don't know. My water bottle. I have this to like organize like pens or stuff, which I'll bring eventually. Some therapy toys and just some of the stuff. I'm gonna look up on Facebook Marketplace and see if I can find anything else, just because I feel like I need a lot more toys. This isn't obviously enough, but this is all I have for now. My little car ramp, my PPE kit, which comes with all of like the COVID stuff, and then my little crate that I brought everything in. I'm gonna need to take everything out. I have a little trash bin. This is my rug, which I think is really cute. I love the floors, my table, and then my stuff, my laptop. And I kind of want to like decorate the walls. I don't know, put some like posters, just make it a little bit more inviting and cute and just more me, I guess. So we'll see how I decorate everything. I feel like it just looks really boring and sad. I'm gonna go run to the restroom really quickly before I go to my next client, just because I really need to go. So I'm gonna go to the restroom. Okay, so this last session that I just did, the parent believed it was online again. I just emailed my office manager to let them know what was happening, because I have a feeling that all of my clients are going to be like that. So I think they're going to have to call my caseload and let them know that we're back online. I just made it back for my break and set up my stuff for today. I have, I think, about like 4 sessions left, and then I'm out. Okay guys, my makeup has like worn completely off at this point. I have I'm almost at the end of my day. I just have one more client. It's already at 6 o'clock. This is my last one, so hopefully he shows up, and then, you know, I'm out the door at the end of the day. I had a little bit of a situation where I had to write all the soap notes because our system was down a couple days ago, so I had to maintain all of the soap notes that I had missed because our system was down. I had to do that all right now, and there was a lot of soap notes that I hadn't written, and it took me literally an hour and so much like mental strength to do it, because I had to remember all of the stuff that I did with each kid. And thankfully I had everything written down too when all of the system was down. But I got all that through because a client did cancel, so I was able to do that within that hour. So technically, you know, I got paid to do that while I was waiting pretty much. So yeah, I'm gonna go check to see if my last kid is here. If not, then more than likely I'm at the end of my day and I get to go home and I'm gonna have some tacos. So yeah, let's see what happens.
Losing time, I'm fading.